Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. A subscribe challenge and giveaway is underway. I'm giving up to $100 plus the monetized amount of this channel. If you want more details about how to participate, I suggest that you check out the subscriber challenge video. I'll leave a link in the description down below. For now though, the monetized amount during the contest period is 84 cents. So the maximum prize pot is $100.84. Hurry and share this video to build up that prize money. Today I want you to meet my producer, Sally. Not only is she the producer of Daddy Dad, she is my wife. She is also my #1 supporter. Today I am here with my wife, Sally. She has been voted by me as my #1 supporter. How does it make you feel that you're my #1 supporter?
Good.
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
What does it mean to you to be the #1 supporter?
It means I support everything you do, including this.
Thanks, baby. See, that's why she got #1 supporter, because she supports me in everything. So how did this YouTube channel kind of start?
Well, it was definitely your idea. I can tell it was something you always wanted to do.
I think it was you that gave me the idea of Daddy Dad, actually.
I think so, yeah. I think we mentioned it, I just mentioned it as a joke and he actually quite liked it, so he used it. No, I definitely watch a lot of YouTube. I'm on YouTube all the time. That's one of my main sources of entertainment. So when he said he wanted to start this thing, I was just throwing ideas out there left and right.
And I remember when I first started too, I didn't even know that I was supposed to ask people to smash that like button, or at the end to ask people to hit that notification bell. I think it was you that literally wrote that ending script for me.
Yeah, because I hear it a lot.
Yeah, you're always on YouTube. You hear that with all the the makeup artists and stuff that that you watch.
Yeah, definitely.
As we continue to talk, we discussed about giving each other space.
On the other note, sometimes your husband needs space, especially with kids. Sometimes Kieran can come home and feel like, oh, there's stuff that needs to be done because kids are at his feet and I'm making dinner and something happened with the kids and he needs to step in. When you have the ability to give your husband space, when you really feel like he needs it and you should know, my husband needs space right now, give him space. Don't suffocate him.
So you said something about giving our own time, and it's my hobby.
I think it's nice to, I guess, have our own individual thing that's what we're pursuing.
Yeah, I think I agree. I mean, like, it's almost like, we have our own space, we don't have to be always there for each other and things like that.
Yeah.
So,
Well, we're always there for each other. It's just that we're not always in each other's space. It's like me watching over what you're doing and you watching over what I'm doing. We're pretty independent, and we always come back together.
exactly. I like that.
Don't stop giving. There's always points in a marriage where you feel like you're giving more or this person is giving less. Never compare what one person is giving versus the other. Focus on yourself.
I kind of want to go back to me always, doing YouTube and things like that.
Yeah.
And when I am filming or editing, what are some of the things you might be doing in the background that maybe I'm not even aware of?
I guess especially now with the baby,
Mm,
a lot of baby stuff. When I know that you're busy with this, I try to not interrupt you too much with the baby.
mm.
I mean, I have plenty of time right now to take care of the baby, so I let you do your own stuff when you do get that free time. Yeah.
Yeah. And I think another thing that maybe she doesn't realize that maybe she does too is I don't have to really take care of the cooking and a lot of the maybe even the cleaning of the house. What do you think of that?
Yeah, I think the daily smaller cleaning stuff you definitely don't have to worry about anymore. But we still make a thing that we clean up after ourselves like every night after dinner together, and do the monthly cleanings on top of all over the house together. So I feel like having those bigger tasks done together is a lot more less taxing on me and you, and then having the more smaller stuff, just tidying up his stuff, he doesn't have to worry about because I have the time to do that when he's busy.
So what else are you doing as my number one supporter?
Well, for all of your videos, I comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the like button to keep the dislike trolls away.
Did you hear that, you guys? Make sure you smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm and to get the dislike trolls away.
Something else, when Kieran asks, do you need help with this? Can I help you with this? 90% of the time I say, yes, please, even if I don't need it.
And the baby is crying. Hey, this might be who's gonna take care of her when she's crying.
You go.
What?
No, I can go.
Do you need help?
No. Yes. Of course, I always need help.
See, that's one of the things about my number one supporter is that she always accepts help. Well, she kind of said no first, but then she changed her mind naturally to say yes. So that is one of the key aspects of being a number one supporter.
The last thing I want to talk about is comparing your husband. This is huge. Tons of guys and girls, but a lot of husbands already kind of deal with that self-confidence. As their wife, they need you to never show dismay towards them, to compare them to, well, this girl's husband did this, or I wish you wore outfits like that instead of like the usual clothes you wear.
For communication, what do you think are good things to say?
I think some things that, like, we always express our concerns and issues with each other, but one thing that we shouldn't do is like compare what other people are doing and what other husbands or wives are doing for each other, because everybody's unique. It's never good for the relationship to compare with other people, because we have strength whereas other people have their strength as well. So be content with what you have and work with what you have.
Yeah, I totally agree. I think that's a perfect example of what a healthy relationship is. Just to stay within your own marriage instead of thinking what other people want out of the relationship. So I think this is one of the reasons why she is my number one supporter. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the behind the scenes that goes on when filming Daddy Dat. Sally is a great producer for the show and one of my biggest supporters as well. As always, if you have any questions, join me in the Daddy Dat Facebook group and comment down below any questions you have. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.